Hey guys, thanks for checking out this latest video. Had a whole lot of fun putting my own little spin on the Kyrios, and I think that fluorescent orange you saw in there, you know, the little glowy bits, really set it apart from everyone else's. Now, if you're interested in buying it, it's actually going to be on sale on my Etsy, which I'm going to link down below. And if you would kindly like, share, and subscribe, it really helps out since we're still such a small channel. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Have a great one.